So let me show you how this new app is gonna blow your mind. Are you ready? So here it is. AI talking photo generator. Okay, we've seen something like that before. But let me tell you what. You put in a photo. This case happens to me in a turtleneck. I put in Drake's voice. I put in a prompt, and you're not gonna believe what happens next.
Oh, I'm ready to go get this money for y'all. But first I have an offer for you. If I can show you so much value that you can see how you can make it work today, then you'll buy some of the stuff I'll be showing you in this webinar. Cool?
Wait, what just happened? Did you see what I just saw? Your face, somebody else's voice, prompt, looking awesome, no wrinkles, no blemishes. So we took my own face, enhanced it with AI, and then put the voice in. Let's take another. Here it is. Here it is, looking kind of crazy with the eyes closed. And
Oh,
then
I'm
this.
ready to go get this money for y'all. But first I have an offer for you. If I can show you so much
The
value that you can
dude is
see how you can make
blinking.
it work today, then you'll buy some of the
Yeah,
stuff I'll be
that
showing
part.
you in this webinar. Cool?
Now, if you like that, you want to see some more like that, I got a lot of them. But the main thing is, I want to get you up on game on what AI is doing and what you're able to do, how you're able to extend yourself if you're a marketer, if you're a consultant, if you're a coach out there. This allows you to do a lot of stuff and help a lot of people. It's you. It's a prompt that you put in, what you want to say, and you have an opportunity to extend yourself. I know a lot of people that just don't like to get on camera. Oh my gosh, I'm on camera. Well, find your best photo and let's at least get you on camera a little bit, kinda. We have the best looking stuff. It's you. It's going to refine you. It's going to get all the blemishes. It's going to get all the wrinkles. Anything that you might be shy about. And then now it says what you want it to say. Like I said, it's going to blow your mind. Let's take another look.